Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will guide you on how to delete Instagram comments with our full step-by-step guide. So, let's get started first. Open the Instagram app on your Android device. Make sure you have the latest version installed for a smooth experience. Next, navigate to the post where the comment you want to delete is located. You can do this by scrolling through your feed or searching for the specific post. Once you've found the post, tap on the comment icon located below it. This will open up the comments section. Now, carefully select the comment you wish to remove. You can do this by tapping on the comment itself. Finally, to delete the comment, tap on the delete icon located at the top right corner of the screen. It looks like a small trash bin. And there you have it. You've successfully deleted the unwanted comment from your Instagram post. That's all for today's tutorial on how to delete Instagram comments. We hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tricks. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.